Hey there, I'm fastbizmom.com, where I help mums like you build businesses from home, one step at a time. Today, we're diving into how to start a blogging business from home, even if you're brand new and have zero tech skills. Step 1. Pick a niche you're excited about. Think about what people already ask you for advice on: parenting tips, meal planning, budgeting. That's a great place to start. Step 2. Set up your blog. You'll need a domain name, website hosting, and WordPress. It sounds scary, but it's actually super beginner-friendly with the right guide. I've linked some tools and books that walk you through it. Step 3. Write helpful content. Start with 3 to 5 blog posts that solve real-life problems. Think easy lunchbox ideas for busy moms. How to budget on one income. Keep it conversational, helpful, and you. How does blogging make money? A lot, really. You can start with affiliate links, promoting other people's products, selling your own digital or physical products and sponsored posts, even ad revenue when your traffic grows. This isn't overnight success, but it is real success with consistency. You can start a blog today and build a business around your life. I've got your back. Head to fastbizmom.com for the full blogging guide and my top beginner books to get you started. Subscribe for more business tips, working from home, from one mom to another.